Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 FHE01 error. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open a new Chrome tab and type in Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. And you want to click on the first link, scroll a bit, and you want to find the latest supported redistributable version, and you want to click on this. x86 and save it, and you want to click here to open it, and then you want to install it, allow it, and while it's downloading it will ask you to restart your PC, but don't do it just yet. You want to close this out, and you want to download the x64 also, and you want to click on here again to open it, and then install it also. Yes. And after this is done too, it will ask you to restart your PC, but don't do it just yet. Open search, type in msconfig, and it will open system configuration. You want to click on services, click hide all Microsoft services, and look here for Citrix. So it's called Citrix. And if you have it, you want to disable it, and then click apply. Okay. And after you're done that, it will ask you to restart your PC. And after you restart your PC, the game should work properly. Also, one more thing I saw people do is also, if you have an antivirus installed that is not the Windows Defender, you can disable it and then try launching the game and see if that helps you. Also, if you have like some third party, like if you have MSI Afterburner, you want to disable it or close it out fully. If you have like a GPU app, like a RGB app or something, you want to close that out. Basically, you want to close as many as possible of the services that are running in the background that which could interfere with the game. And after you close all of them and restart your PC, your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 FHE01 error. Hopefully this solved your issue. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.